She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to know her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's up YouTube, back with another video. Today I am doing a giveaway on these carbon fiber paddle shifters produced by Synthcarbon on Instagram. I want to give them a huge shout out to giving me this opportunity to give away a pair to you guys. So all you guys have to do is like, comment, and be subscribed to my channel, and in that comment put why you would like to win a pair. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, I appreciate it. This is another way of me giving back. If you guys would like to purchase a set of these, I will put a link down in the description. Also make sure to use my code BRONZE210 at checkout to give you a good discount. Thank you guys again for giving me this opportunity to even make videos like this. I want to thank Synthcarbon so much. They have many more products to come, so guys please stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so do not mind my stock steering wheel. So the first step we gotta do is clean up those shifters because they are dirty. We are just gonna put them right here. I don't know if people done this mistake, but make sure you put the right one on the right side. So obviously the minus goes on the left side. And you just stick it right here, just like this.
Ryan Little.
Oof, they're looking super good. Once I get my new steering wheel, they're gonna look even better. But even with the stock wheel, they look pretty good with my interior. Looking good. Let's get into the next one. So just make sure you press down good on it so they do not fall off. But there you go, that's how they look. So if you guys like this new steering wheel I got it from IS Auto Group on Instagram. They handle their business through DMs. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a website soon, but they ship pretty quickly. I got it in a week. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. I love that red little stripe that you see on top. It just is giving my car another accent color. So if you guys would like to purchase this, hit them up on Instagram. Tell them Bronzebag sent you. Thank you guys. I was browsing on the market for a different push to start button and I couldn't find any, but I found this great alternative on Amazon. It's such a clean little detail to add. I'll put a link down in the description for this. I have a serious question for you guys. What do you think about me adding some vlog / lifestyle type content to the channel? I obviously will still do my how-tos, but you know, I'll add some vlog / lifestyle content to it. Right here, as you can see, I was with yesterday on Instagram. I'll put his link down in the description. Huge shout out to this guy, man. This guy is such a hard-working photographer. Look at him just doing his work. His photos come out A1. I'm telling you, I'm not lying when I say A1. I love his photography. He is my go-to photographer. So please guys, if you would like to be interested in a photo shoot with him, he does live in Southern California in the Orange County area. So if you guys would like to check him out, I'll leave his link down in the description. He has such a flexible schedule and great prices. I will show some of his work after this segment. I promise you guys will not be disappointed with his work. He's a super underrated photographer. For the record, this is not sponsored content. I am genuinely shouting him out because he deserves it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.